Hello YouTubers! Welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today, let's check out the most profitable niches on YouTube. Here it is. I'll leave a link to this page for you guys to check out down below in the video description. The most profitable niche on YouTube is the make money online topic with an average of $13.50 CPM rate, which is money earned per 1,000 views. The next profitable niches are social media marketing, finance, and educational videos, earning close to $10 and above CPM. On the lower end, dance covers make a surprisingly low CPM rate of just 3.5 cents per 1,000 views. ASMR is also a terrible paying niche at just 30 cents per 1,000 views. One of the most competitive and biggest niches include video games and music. They both pay around $1.50 CPM rate. This is quite low compared with the other niches. I'm also really surprised to see fitness and product review niches earning only around $2 CPM rate. Alright, let's see some examples of channels making big money and the kinds of niches they are in. In the world of YouTube, being in the right niche can make you a lot of money. You don't need millions of views to succeed. Take the finance niche for example. Graham Stephan made over $120,000 with about 7 million views, which is around $16 CPM rate. Let's take a look at Charlie Chang. He was able to earn close to $3,000 with just 226,000 views. $3,000 income is the dream for many YouTubers out there. There are a lot of other examples on the site. Again, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to view everything. For now, let's take a look at the make money online niche, which is similar to what our channel, How to Webmaster, is about. From this list of channels here, the lowest CPM is about $2, and the highest CPM is around $25. The average is around $13.50. Let's take a look at our channel dashboard here to see how it compares with the others. How to Webmaster channel received 43.6 thousand views and made $614. The rate per 1,000 total views is $14.70. This is slightly higher than the average when compared with the others here. Okay folks, go and see how your channel compares with the others on this page. If you are looking to create a new channel or create new content, this is a great place to start. I hope this helps. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to How to Webmaster for more free online tutorials and guides. As always, thank you very much for viewing.